So, if anything, it's kind of your fault that I'm here.
What did you just say?
I take that back. And now I'm here in space.
Yeah, right where I didn't want you to be. This isn't Coney Island, this isn't field trip, this is a one-way ticket. You hear me? Don't pretend you thought this through. I know you didn't. You could not have possibly thought this
through. You can't be a friendly neighborhood in Spider-Man if there's no neighborhood. Okay, that didn't really make sense, but you know what I'm trying to say.